My name is Nazria, and I got to know Rezt+Relax because I chanced upon Clarissa's Instagram, and she has actually worked on High Park residents before. My priority was to actually have an extra bed for my son because I have 2 children. So what Carlesa suggested was actually a pull-out bed which doubles up as a storage. Carlesa and Alicia, actually, they're very efficient and they're very easy to communicate with. We even have a chat group and it makes things so much easier. Even though Rezt+Relax is known to be expensive, it's mainly because they are a reputable company and I know that they can give me what I want. Carlesa actually explained to me about the lifetime warranty, and I think it gives me a sense of security because I know that they will always be there if I require them. Thank you to Rezt+Relax, and thank you Carlesa and Alicia for realizing my dream home.